Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa here, and today we are going to talk all about hair gummies because that is like the new thing. It's all I'm seeing on Instagram. There's so many options out there, and I'm here to tell you all the pros and cons of gummies that are available out there along with my favorite one. So just in case you didn't know, I do have like a crazy weird like receding hairline that I'm totally uncomfortable with, and I've been working with the iRestore system to grow it back, and it's like laser therapy. So I'll go ahead and link that video down below if you want to learn more about the device that I'm using, which is really crazy but super easy to use, and I'm seeing awesome results. And I'll post updates about the iRestore system later on, but to supplement that hair growth journey, I'm also using the iRestore hair gummies, which is actually my favorite. And as I mentioned in my original iRestore video, I have tried other biotin supplements and other hair pills and other hair gummies. This is what the gummies look like. I've like seriously like eaten so much, so I'll show you like a full size. This is how much you get if you order it straight out of Amazon. They retail for $29.99. And the best thing about these hair gummies is that they're vegan and gluten-free. They're also totally preservative free. What they use to make sure that they don't like go bad is they use like a coconut flour, which actually makes it taste even better. So the hair gummies are naturally flavored in lemon, cherry, and orange. I'm just gonna go ahead and like have one. By the way, like this smells amazing. Like I love like gummy bears, like anything gummies, so it's really hard for me to only eat 2 per day. So I'm going to have a lemon one. They all taste really good, but I'm just gonna go ahead and pull out a lemon right now. And they're about this big, so you can see the size of the gummies, and they taste so good, and it's shaped like a little lemon. So here we go. They're so full of fruit flavor, and you wouldn't even think that they're good for you because they're so delicious. And the best part is that they're really easy to chew and there's no aftertaste. So even though the gummies are preservative free, they stay super soft, super like, I don't want to say the word moist, but they don't get hard because sometimes the gummies just like dry out, especially if they're trying to be all natural and preservative free. But I've been taking these for about 2 months, and honestly throughout the entire bottle the gummies don't ever dry out. So that is super awesome. The texture just stays super gummy, which is exactly what it's supposed to do. So one of my concerns with taking any type of hair supplements is that I'm allergic to seafood, and a lot of them do use fish. So the fact that this was vegan was really like a selling point for me. There really aren't any allergens in here. So if you're allergic to dairy, nuts, soy, gluten, you're not going to see any of those products in here. So that was like a major key selling point for me with these iRestore hair vitamins as well. So let's go ahead and look at the back of this package. You see that it has biotin, vitamin C, and vitamin E, which are awesome antioxidants. It also has coconut oil, black carrot juice concentrate, turmeric, which is also an antioxidant, and pectin. I've definitely noticed a difference since adding these gummies into my hair care routine. My hair is so much healthier and stronger. Not only the hair on my head, but also my eyebrows are growing in faster, which is really good because I've noticed that I've had to go and get them waxed like more frequently, and who doesn't want like good, thick, healthy eyebrows? So I'm really excited about that. My hair is just growing so fast, as you can tell, and it's just a lot healthier and shinier. I know that some of you guys did notice that on Instagram, so thank you for pointing that out. I've been working really hard to get my hair back in its best shape. So really quickly, I'm comparing the iRestore gummies, which literally just came out this month, with some of the other competitors, which you may have seen on Instagram. The first one would be Sugar Bear hair vitamins. You can get them online for $29.99, which is exactly the same price as the iRestore hair vitamins. They are made in the USA, just like the iRestore vitamins. They're gluten-free and they're vegetarian, but they do have preservatives in them, and they're not manufactured in a GMP certified facility, and they don't have a 90-day money-back guarantee like the iRestore vitamins. Another popular hair gummy brand is the Nature's Bounty. Retails for $20.99, and they do have vitamin C, E, and biotin, just like the other two, but they're only made in the USA, and they're gluten-free, but they're not vegan or vegetarian. They also do have preservatives in them. They're not made in a GMP certified facility, and they don't have a 90-day money-back guarantee. And Vitafusion is also the same deal. So they're made in the USA, they're gluten-free, but they're not vegan, they're not preservative free, they're not made in a GMP certified facility, and they don't have the 90-day money-back guarantee. So out of all of those, like if the iRestore vitamins doesn't work for you, you get your money back. They're manufactured in the USA in a GMP certified facility, and they're totally vegan and gluten-free, like I said before. So if you're interested in trying these gummies for yourself, which I completely recommend, they're seriously amazing, then go ahead and click the link down below and go ahead and start your new healthy hair journey with me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and of course, full disclosure, this video was sponsored by iRestore Hair, and I hope that this information was helpful for you to make your best decision on which hair gummies to try next.